Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TOPS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume. Unfortunately, it was in a very savage way, just bloodshed all over the place. From a trading standpoint, though, that is going to be my main focus here as I try to map out some levels of support and resistance. But I am well aware that if you bought before today, then yeah, the chart's looking really, really bad for you. But like I said, from a trading standpoint, if maybe you're just looking at this now and you're looking for stocks with volatility and lots of volume, then these will be some of the key levels of, from the technical point of view to watch moving forward. And we'll start with levels of support, and the main level of support, and there's nothing fancy or complicated behind this at all, other than the fact of, where the bleeding finally stopped today. And that was down here at 0.1035. So 0.1035 is going to be that first key level of support. And like I said, I'm totally, waving my hand here. I'm not trying to say like this is some sort of just, complicated area. No, this is very basic. Just simply where the bleeding, where the downwards pressure finally stopped today. So watch that level very closely. And if this is some sort of bottom that's trying to form, then yeah, you're going to want to see that hold. But it's also interesting because maybe for those of you that enjoy technical patterns, maybe it's a potential double bottom pattern, right? We have bottom one right here, but if this move comes down here a little bit, find some support, could very well reverse itself back around. And again, that would just be a double bottom pattern. I'm not saying that's what's for sure going to happen, but it's at least a valid, rational thought to have that, maybe some sort of pattern like that could play out. So if something like that does occur and the price, starts to bounce back to the upside, where are some of these areas of resistance at? First key level to watch very close and any sort of attempted bounce back upwards, going to be right there at 0.109. So 0.109, first key area of resistance that, like I said, if there is any sort of double top that does try to form, that'll be the first key area that, will really be a good test of the pattern and whether or not there's any sort of true power behind it or not. But overall, yeah, very savage day, but a whole lot of volume. So we'll see if there can be some sort of tradable opportunities or not moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.